Hi guys, ever felt like English words sound easy but suddenly confuse you in real life? Like, what are you doing up? Are you standing, sitting, flying? Don't worry. Today we are going to learn some real life English phrases in a funny classroom conversation where I will be the confused student and my teacher will try to save my English. So sit back, relax, and let's start learning English. Sir, what does insisting mean?
Actually, it means strongly demanding something.
He is insisting on going alone. And sir, downsizing? Idiot, you don't know the meaning? That's when a company reduces employees or size. Like the company is downsizing due to losses. But sir, I heard someone to say that, what are you doing up? Actually, that means, why are you still awake? For example, it's late. What are you doing up?
What is the meaning of that phrasal? Okay, phrasal is the meaning of something easily broken. Like your glass, it can be broken, so it is phrasal.
Sir, what does sober mean?
Look, I don't want to say the meaning, but yeah, it is. If you are learning the English, then I have to say the meaning. It means not drunk or serious. Like someone is drunk, we can say that he is completely sober.
But sir, I heard the word blow up.
Okay, it can mean explode or get angry, or you can say go viral. His video blew up online, means it went viral.
But sir, if someone is said to me that I liked beat her home, what does that mean?
Idiot, it means that reaching before someone, I ran fast and beat him.
Sir, what else should get going?
Okay, I know that you are watching American movies nowadays. I'm just going to say, whenever you see that meaning, you'll get to know that. Okay, I should get going now. It means that it's time to leave. And it's time to leave the video also. If you like the video, then comment down below your best part in this video.